Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. This is an update on Avino silver because they just restated their technical report from January for the Avino mine. So now they have updated it in December. So it's the same report with a cutoff date of January, but they have updated it because there was a mistake in it. So you can watch my other video. I will link it. But here are the two tables, the old one and the new one, and something has changed. So the nodes are the same. The lines, when you look at the lines, only the lines with copper in it have changed. So the zeros have not changed. It's the same line. So only the copper lines have changed. And here you can see that the silver equivalent in those copper lines has gone up from 18 to 28. Then here from 47 to 78. So you can clearly see that something has changed, right? And here in the invert, we see 16 going to 30. So the resources have increased. And what's also very weird is that the amount of copper has increased, which is weird because it's just the same technical report. How come the amount of copper has gone up? The amount of copper has actually increased. But no problem. We like to see higher amounts of resources. And here you can also see the grade. The grade 120 has gone up to 146 because copper has now been included in the silver equivalent, which was not the case the last time. And here you can see all the grades have gone up. 111, 122. Here they are a bit the same, but this is an improvement from last time. So I'm happy to see this. Also, the tonnage has gone up, probably because copper has been added. Only the tonnage for this line has gone up. And this is the same because copper is 0. So you can clearly see this line 13 has gone to 20. So this is the copper line. They have done some updates on the copper lines. So in my last video, I said I was missing around 30 million of copper in silver equivalents. So let's see if this 30 million has now been added. As you can see here, silver equivalent was only 100, and it should have been 125-ish. So I was missing 25 million. Now, when you add everything up, 116 silver equivalent plus 36, that's around 150 million. So this is the new number. So yeah, they have actually updated it from 100 to 150 million. So I'm happy to see that we have magically added resources for the same technical report. And it has been more than I thought. I only thought we would have 25 million, but apparently we have 50 million more. So the amount of gold has been going up, silver has been going up, and also copper has been going up. Okay, so I have also updated the total amount. That's 116 for the measured and indicated, plus the La Preciosa 113. That's this 113. And for the inferred, we have 36.6 plus 24. So where is it? 36.6? That's this here for the inferred, plus the 24 from La Preciosa. And this gives us the inferred for the total resources. So the sum is 290 million silver ounces now, which is a lot of silver because it's even more than, for example, Endeavor silver. So Avino silver has a lot of silver resources. And when you calculate this in gold equivalent, dividing by 80, that's 3.6 million ounces of gold. That's a very large deposit. And typically, an explorer would be worth 30 times. So that would be 108 million market cap. And we are now at 100 million market cap. So Avino is now trading like it's an explorer. Normally, when it's a producer, you would give it a 100 value. But since La Preciosa is not in production yet, let's give it 50. So I think Avino silver should be worth double the current price. Based on its current earnings, however, the market cap is overvalued compared to the earnings if you only count their current production, not the future production. But the future production, I think we need several years to get that in production. So I think Avino is about fair value. We have a little bit upside due to La Preciosa, but on the other hand, the earnings are not that high yet. So yeah, I would give it fair value right now. So that was the update. I'm happy to see the Avino property resources being re-evaluated, and we suddenly got more ounces. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.